Look, I'm going to make it easy for you. Just buy the Neo, okay? I'll tell you why. I'm not going to bore you like the other guys with all the tests that they do. I'm just going to really drill down and focus on the single core, which is where most people are going to use their device, and that's the blue bar on top. You can clearly see that it beats virtually every Windows PC, every AMD chip, and it beats the M1 MacBook. So this really, honestly, is gonna suffice most people. Everybody's out there screaming about the RAM. Oh, there's not enough RAM, 8 grams, gigabytes of RAM. That's not gonna work. Oh God. It's all BS, people. Just buy it for $5.99. You're not gonna get a better deal on a PC. MacBooks are like Sherman tanks. They last forever. Touchpad is excellent. Keyboard is excellent. The screen is excellent. I've been using it for 4 days. I'm a power user, and I would highly recommend it. Drop some links in the description for the Amazon discount. Use that, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.